It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography. Bring you back another. No. Yes, this is a vlog video, guys. As you can see right now, behind me. See behind me. I'm actually right now in the airport. I am going and heading out to WPPI, but my flight don't leave out until 5 o'clock in the freaking morning. So I am spending the next few hours, let's see what time it is now. 10:16, so it's 10:16 p.m. So I'll be spending the next 7-8 hours here, the comfort of. So this is my life right now. So probably try to get about 2 hours of sleep. That'd be good. Whew, fuck, bro. What a rough sleep time. Man, that was rough. So now I'm about to go up here, get checked in, check my bags in, and head to my gate. But more than likely, I'll probably get the majority of my sleep while I'm on the plane, because this is a non-stop straight from Cincinnati to Las Vegas. Then Toglife is going to be there to pick me up from the airport. So let's just go ahead and go get checked in, check all my bags. Then I gotta go do some more sitting around. I'm gonna tell y'all guys what's funny right here. What's funny is I was literally the second one in line. Checking my bag in. TSA pre-check, but yet there's still like 5 people here already to beat me to the gate. Made it. It is bright, boy. Now I just got my freaking bags. Now I gotta go out here and try to find Toglife one time for the one time. It's gonna be interesting. I gotta check my phone first, but man, it's early in the morning. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. This airport is completely dead, which I like. Man, because I hate flying into Vegas, because airports do get really, really super busy. Like super, super quick. So let's go see, man. Let's go see if we're gonna meet up with Toglife. I think Tmidd already been here. I know if I'm coming here on Saturday, that means Tmidd must have been here, must have came here on a Wednesday. So I know his ass probably been here. So once again, it's my second photo conference. My first going to WPPI. They said this is the one to go to if I was gonna go to any of them. So yeah, I'm pretty excited, man. I think I'm gonna take the same approach that I've always been taking going to these. It's just me sitting here getting better at video, because honestly, guys, that's what I'm more. Oh man, honestly, that's what I enjoy doing more. Actually, is video work now. So I'm gonna be here just do a lot of video work. I may do, I may take some photos here and there. Oh man, my guy. Yes, sir.
This ridiculous setup, my guy, dog.
Yes, sir. My guy, bro. What's up, man?
What's going on, buddy?
Hey, you got new car frames. Look at it, man. We finally let talk, bro.
What up? What up?
You already know what it is, man. When we up in here, when we get together, bro.
Hey, I had to delay a little bit for you, because when I came to get Mid a couple days ago, he couldn't find the passenger pickup, and I had to circle the joint like 10 times. So I was like, man.
So Mid was just out here just wilding.
I was like, I ain't trying to do that again.
Out here this morning in Vegas, actually enjoying the other side of Vegas, guys. Enjoying the other side of Vegas, which is not the Strip, because everybody always think Vegas ain't nothing but the Strip, and that's what you come here for. But I'm enjoying this. We had a park, take a little walk, man. Right now, we're gonna do this, then we're gonna go do some photography stuff, meet up with Mid. Of course, you already seen Anthony, so I'm just hanging out here, do some walking. Then we're gonna go hang out with Mid.
And man, look at this crazy setup that I got right here. This is my vlog setup, arm fully extended. I want you to see this right angle that I got going on right here.
But Cap, look at it, bro. Tmidd's in the building now. He's finally here. We finally all linked up. Yeah, I don't have no steady hands, bro. No steady hands at all. Now, we just got finished shooting, doing some B-roll shots for Tmidd there.
Yes, sir.
And where everybody at? Okay, yeah, we just got finished doing some B-roll shots for Tmidd, him and his website. Want to help that out. God damn, motherfucker's heavy. Yeah. And so, yeah, so I just finally met Tmidd. Tmidd's in here in the soccer mom car. He been here, like I told y'all before earlier in my vlog. If I came on Saturday, that means Tmidd was here on Tuesday.
Let me tell y'all something. Let me tell y'all something right now. Y'all can't see it because he got the gimbal, but his arms is shaking.
Yeah, I am shaky,
he got a shake weight in his hand right now. Because JD gonna meet at the spot at 5.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's gonna be, it's an hour total drive time, but
We're out here,
we either
kicking it. Nice. Man, this view that I have out here, bro. Nice, bro, nice. Sun's over here. Bring it down so you look at the sun. Look at that. Here we are now walking. Got Tmidd down here. Man, it's looking pretty nice back here, too. Real nice. Look at it, guys. Look at the scenery over here. Yo, what is going on, cats? It is now day 2 of me being in Vegas. WPPI officially starts today, if I'm not mistaken. As you can see right behind me.
Chill. This is the official start.
The official, the man, of course, see Tmidd over here, kicking it.
Make sure I get mine. Here, gotta get all my gear situated.
So yeah, when the Tmidd's out here kicking it, so we just about to get started, get our day started, probably go get some breakfast or something of that nature. Yeah, sorry about last night, I couldn't end out the day, the first day, because Toglife, bro. Man, Toglife had me on the motherfucking mountain, bro. That's what I am. I think I'm just a dedicated videographer now when I go on these trips, to be honest with you guys. And I don't even really mind it because this is what I want to kind of do, because... so yeah, so that's what we're going to do, and I'm just going to figure out how the day's going to take us, so... Let's go get some food, bro. And look who we just ran into, man.
Sony gang.
Look who we just ran into, man. The boy DP. Up here at WPPI in the Mirage Hotel.
Yeah. We here. We live.
He was up.
Cannon gang.
Man, you already know.
Cannon gang. What up, what up? Cannon in the building.
Those are my boys look at because we're going to convince Tog.
Might be.
We're going to convince Tog to switch over to Sony.
Yeah, you see how hard it was for me to even get my fingers in
You got
there?
them big hands, man.
See, that's no problem. Yeah, see, you got clearance. Perfect.
No.
Got an even bigger lens like that 85 that they just brought out. Put that thing on there. I won't even be able to get my finger in there.
I feel for you. I think I love you.
What's up? How you doing? Hey, Mary, how about yourself? How y'all doing? Look at me, V. Look at her doing this hike.
Yeah, we out here.
We
survive.
Out here just hiking. So I'm just out here hiking or whatever, right? And I'm just enjoying the scenery of Las Vegas, Nevada. And for some reason, look who I came across. This nigga.
Yeah. You see what you know what it is, all right? Big Photomeike, but hey, where is my Z9? Did I leave it in the car?
Yeah, so I'm out here just enjoying my hike, and I just hiked around. I see Photomeike out here about to do a shoot, bro. Like how lucky am I that I'm just out here hiking, enjoying the Las Vegas scenery, the Nevada scenery, and I found and walked upon Photomeike doing a shoot. Black folks don't hike, do they? To actually see V over here hiking, and then Toglife over here hiking.
Hey, real talk though, I honestly don't think I've ever seen another black person out here. As many times I've been out here, I don't think I've ever seen another black person. I'm not even exaggerating.
He's not exaggerating.
I don't think I've ever seen.
Hey, that's very, very true, because I do a lot of hiking myself back at home, guys, and black folks, we don't hike, bro. Like, it is what it is. Like, you have to have that taste for it or that adventure for hiking. Something else in particular.
Nah. Yeah, yo, I ain't gonna hold you.
Yeah.
This might be the spot right here.
Yeah. All right, 1, 2. Oh yeah, that's fire right there.
You trying to get some smoke?
Nah, I'll let you.
Okay,
I might just doing the video thing. I might just chilling.
That way for me. Perfect.
You want? Yeah, I'm gonna get a little. With the flash or?
Perfect.
Natty. Yeah,
Put your eyes to me. Perfect. Put your chin up a little bit. Straight. And that light perfect right now. For that natty with a baddie.
Like a ninja.
Yeah, get that thing, get it lower. You gotta get that dynamic. We got the same lens too?
Oh, that sun, that sun coming down? Yes.
Yeah, y'all gotta flip it around, bro.
Yeah. They both hitting though. That might help somebody.
That shit is fucking beautiful.
Yeah, so you gotta hit it.
Oh yeah.
That is nice.
Oh yeah, stay there.
Oh, that's beautiful. 400.
You saw the cut, right?
Yeah.
You saw the cut, right?
So one more time for the vlog here.
Hey, one take hove, okay? I really gotta take to it. And they still take to it.